Hi, welcome back to Rapid Translate. Today we'll run through 5 common mistakes people make with legal translation and why avoiding them matters. Legal texts aren't just words on a page. A small slip can cause big problems. Mistake 1. Translating too literally and ignoring document context. Legal texts often look like they should be rendered very literally, but the same phrase can carry different legal force depending on the document type, the clause heading, or the jurisdiction. For example, wording in a power of attorney, a will, or a commercial contract may look similar at first glance, but have very different legal consequences. Translators must read the whole document, understand its purpose and legal setting, and choose language that preserves the legal effect, not just the surface wording. Mistake 2. Skipping stamps, footnotes, annexes, and other non-main text elements. Sometimes translators focus only on the main paragraphs and overlook seals, headers, footnotes, appendices, or official stamps. In legal practice, those elements often contain clarifications, dates, or references that change how the main text is read, and omitting them can make a document unusable or misleading. Make sure everything on the page is checked and translated. Mistake 3. Relying only on machine translation. Machine translation is fast and useful as a first draft, but it frequently misses legal nuance, specialized terminology, and the subtleties of legal structure. That can produce awkward or incorrect legal wording. For legally binding texts, machine output must be reviewed and corrected by a human legal specialist. You shouldn't rely on machine translation alone. Mistake 4. Using fluent speakers or general translators instead of legal specialists. A fluent speaker or a general translator may produce grammatically clean text, but still miss legal concepts or jurisdictional nuances. Legal translation is legal work as much as linguistic work. It benefits from translators who understand the law, established terminology, and local legal practice. Using a professional agency with legal specialists and QA steps reduces risk. Mistake 5. Incorrect or inconsistent data, formatting, and terminology. Wrong numbers, names, dates, or inconsistent use of key terms can invalidate documents or lead to disputes. Consistency matters. Use glossaries, keep formatting, dates, numbering, annex references identical where required, and run thorough checks. For example, if a document repeatedly uses the technical term agreement, do not replace it with contract throughout the text, even if they look similar, because that substitution can alter legal meaning. Small changes like that are risky. In real legal proceedings, poor translations can have serious consequences. Evidence can be challenged or dismissed, documents rejected by courts or authorities, and parties can face costly delays or lost cases. In short, incorrect legal translation isn't just inconvenient. It can ruin a case or block an immigration or contractual process. That's why accuracy, specialist review, and correct procedure matter. Legal translation is risk management. At Rapid Translate, we pair legal subject matter specialists with strict QA, glossary checks, formatting control, and double review, so your contracts, affidavits, and court papers stay reliable and acceptable. If you have a legal document that needs translation, send it to us for a professional estimate. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and visit rapidtranslate.org to get started. See you next time.